People often find it difficult to control themselves, influenced and swayed by their surroundings. Even those who enforce the law may break it, and those who profess faith may commit wrongdoing. This is what ancient sages meant by the complexity of human nature, where individual desires can outweigh moral principles. In today's rapidly advancing society, driven by technology and economy, there is a loss of moral compass and spiritual clarity. Without understanding the principles of benevolence, righteousness, propriety, and wisdom in our actions, without embodying moral integrity in our conduct, and without grasping the concept of cause and effect in our spiritual pursuits, no matter how much effort we put in and how much we gain in the present, it will all eventually turn into nothingness.